Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Girl Rehab. I'm so super excited to do this video for you guys because this is a collaboration video with one of my good friends. You can find her on different social media platforms as Unconventional Styles. She's a fashion blogger, so she has her own blog. She also has a YouTube channel, guys, so please make sure that you check her YouTube channel out. Make sure you subscribe. So if you're in need of some Valentine's Day inspiration, guys, we got you covered. I will be giving you guys 3 Valentine's Day hair looks, and she will also be giving you guys 3 Valentine's Day fashion looks. So yeah, let's just jump into this video. Okay guys, so to begin, I'm starting off on stretched hair, and I'm making sure I part my hair as desired. Then I'm going to section my hair off and apply water, and then I'm going to apply an oil. I'm applying the Loreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil, and I'm going to apply that to my hair.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
Then once I do that, I'm going to apply the curl control jelly, and then I'll get ready to bantu knot my hair. So when I do my bantu knots, guys, I like to twist my hair very tightly at the root, working my way down, constantly twisting my hair. And then once I twist my hair, I'm going to twirl it around to form the bantu knot. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing that to medium-sized sections of my hair. So by the time I finished, I had about 8 bantu knots, 4 on each side. Then I sat under a hooded dryer for an hour and then allowed my hair to dry for 2 additional hours. But if you have time, you can always air dry your hair overnight and take your hair down the next morning. But I was crunched for time, so I just decided to blow dry my hair. So this is 3 hours later, and I'm just taking my hair down, taking my time, and then I'm going to apply some more oil to my hair to make sure it has a nice shine. And then I'm just going to separate my curls to my liking. And then this is style 1. Nice, soft, bouncy, romantic curls. Alright, for style 2, you're going to need some bobby pins. And what I'm going to do is start off by twisting the left side of my hair, going down to the nape of my neck and securing it with a bobby pin. And then I'm going to take the right side and grab the section of hair and twist it loosely, and then tuck the ends under with a bobby pin. And then I'm leaving the front portion of my hair out. And that's style number 2. Alright, style number 3. I'm starting off with the back of my hair, and I'm going to kind of do like a French kind of twist to the back of my hair, gathering my hair up into a nice French twist and securing it with a bobby pin. I'm just going to keep pinning it to my desired look, and I'm kind of making sure that all my curls kind of fall to the right side of my hair. And then I'm just going to make sure all my curls are in place, and that is style 3. So those are all my Valentine's Day inspired looks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you give any of these looks a try this Valentine's Day, please let me know down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check out my girl Unconventional Styles blog posts on these Valentine's Day inspired looks. Her information and the blog post will be linked at the end of this video. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
All I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one.